Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services and then you have to scroll down and click parental controls. Now click on let's do this and click sign in. Then select Google. And here you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your password. Then click I agree. Now you have to scroll down and click accept. Then you have to go back and click on supervise. Now click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll down. And here you have to enter your child password again. And here you have to click on next. And click allow. Now you have to scroll down and click next. Then click done. And as you can see, my parental controls is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.